Hi, I'm Jeff Moisen with Home Group Realty. Welcome to 10 Sweeney Drive in Guelph. This 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath, modern executive home is located in a prime Kortright East location, and it fronts onto Jubilee Park. It's got a large fenced backyard and it's in absolutely immaculate condition. Let's go take a look inside. As you walk in the front door and head into the foyer, you will immediately see how bright, open, and well kept this home is. To the right is a large dining room with beautiful maple hardwood flooring and a partially vaulted ceiling toward the front window. You will absolutely love the eat-in kitchen. It features rich maple cabinets, granite countertops, a center island with a side wine rack, stainless steel appliances, and plenty of room for a large kitchen table. It was designed for both style and function, with plenty of cabinetry and space for prepping meals and entertaining. The kitchen is also open to the living room, which is centered by a beautiful Napoleon gas fireplace. The living room offers plenty of space for all of your large furniture and plush carpeting to keep you feeling warm and comfortable. It also features 2 oversized windows that provide an abundance of natural light. The main level also offers a large front hall closet, 2-piece washroom, and a mudroom that leads to the double-car garage. As we head upstairs, the upper level offers 4 spacious bedrooms, a 5-piece main bathroom, and a laundry room. The principal bedroom has 2 large windows with views of Jubilee Park and features a generous-sized walk-in closet along with a luxurious 5-piece ensuite bathroom. The other 3 bedrooms all provide the perfect amount of space for a bed, dresser, and desk in each room. As you can see, both the upstairs and main level have excellent layouts and were finished to perfection with beautiful materials and quality workmanship. As we head downstairs, you will appreciate that the basement is one of the many highlights of this home. It features a large rec room with plush carpet and a Regency gas fireplace for extra warmth during your family moving nights. It also offers an additional bedroom that is currently being used as an office with ensuite privileges to a 4-piece washroom. There's also plenty of extra space in the back unfinished storage area and utility rooms. Heading back outside, you will surely appreciate this backyard. It offers almost 52 feet of width, providing more than enough space for your kids and pets to run around and play. The beautiful composite deck has plenty of space for dining and lounging, and there are 2 gas connections available. The yard is fully fenced, offers plenty of privacy, and has been meticulously maintained and landscaped. You'll also love that this home features an irrigation system in both the front and backyard. Not only is this home phenomenal, but so too is the neighborhood. Ecole, Arbour, Vista, and Jubilee Park are directly across the road. You will love the splash pad and tennis courts in the summer and skating rink in the winter. This is one of the most desirable neighborhoods in the city, within one of the highest ranking school districts, and offers plenty of nearby amenities. As you can see, this is an outstanding property that anyone would be lucky to call home. Give me a call today for your own private viewing. I look forward to hearing from you.